Hmm. Yay. Hmm. Yay. Hmm. Yay. 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 Mm. Monster. Did I have you there? Yes, I did. Not in a second. Will you move? Should you come around here? We are. I am a superstar. Hard times will come. Yes, they will. You know that you eat a pill. It's called a bill. And that will take you a while. Private files, I'm high. How are you, my dude? I could come and see the truth. I'm like you. You're coming through. I could go and run with you. I'm like, hey, until your dying day. Words, watch out. People go and they could shout. I'm like, how could you come out? You come in. And they could go and they could win. I'm like, hey, until your dying day. Word, watch out. People know they could shout. They're like, hey, until your dying days. Word, watch out. You could go and you could say. You're like, hey, until your dying days. Word, watch out. I could come and say they're about to say, hey, until your dying days. Words, watch out. They could go, could shout. I'm like, hey, until your dying days. Words, watch out. You could come and say you're about to say, hey, until my dying days. Words, watch out. I could go and say I'm about to say, hey, until your dying days. Words, watch out. You could go and say you're about to say, hey, but you say, whoa, yes, you know that people, they come, they go, they're like, hey, and how you doing? How do you do? I could say I'm the truth. I'm like, hey, you could do all your shit, and you could say, yo, this is, hey, and you know that you, a heart attack is like, yo, hey, DK, day, he dedicates on Zarai. How they can say their body, I hate, till your dying day. Word, watch out. I could go and say you're about to say, hey, until your dying days. Words, watch out. I could go and say you're about to say, whoa. And now we go, now we do what we were meant to do. Your dying day says it won't come, but you know you're like a bum. You know you do everything. People were like, hey, you coming to me. You know you are, here we are. People come, they come for the stars. They're like, heart. Here we are, yes, we go. I could come and say, you know, whoa. Yes, we is. You could have 1,000 kids, but yo, this shit is good, yo, it's great. I could say I do, you were late. Favorite too, oh, my dude.